Welcome, my dear learners. Welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start learning. Let's start exploring. Alright, so we are going to discuss the annual syllabus for the session of 2023 to 2024 for class 11th, and the subject being English core, the subject code being 301. Now, section A, as we all know, that it comprises of the reading section, reading comprehension section, right? It would be for 26 marks. Then we move on to section B, which would be writing skill section. It would be for 23 marks. Then we have section C, that is literature, which would be for 31 marks, right? And then we have ASL, that is assessment of listening and speaking skills, plus project, that would comprise of 20 marks. That comprises of 20 marks, right? So in totality it makes up to 100, right? In totality it has to be 100 mark paper, right? So now we know that we have hornbill and snapshots as textbooks in class 11th, right? So lesson 1, the portrait of a lady. Poem 1, a photograph. Lesson 2, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Lesson 3, discovering Tat, the saga continues. Poem 2, the Lebanon top. And then snapshots. Lesson 1, the summer of the beautiful white horse, and lesson 2 being the address. Lesson 3, Mother's Day. And under reading skills we have unseen passage type. It can be again factual in nature, it can be descriptive in nature, it can be literary in nature, right? So unseen passage would be there. Then second would be unseen case based factual passage with verbal and visual inputs like statistical data, charts, and etc., so on and so forth. Then we have the combined word limit for both the passages, which has to be between 600 to 750 words. Note making and summarization is there. Word limit of passage has to be between 200 to 250 words. Then we have short composition under creative writing skills. We have classified advertisements, we have poster designing, we have speech writing based on visual and verbal inputs in 120 to 150 words related to contemporary age appropriate topics. Then we have debate writing based on visual verbal inputs in 120 to 150 words related to contemporary topical issues. Then talking about grammar, we have gap filling, review of tenses, clauses, reordering of sentences, transformation of sentences,